Hello guys, this is Surendra from Markham Industrial Training and Research Institute. So this program is conducted by Department of Commerce, University of Madras, Chennai in association with Markham Industrial Training and Research Institute. Organizes 1 week FDP training, implication of GST in Tally. Okay, so we are at the end of the session. We covered 7 days and 7 topics, 7 hours with assessment also. So we are at the end of the session. So the purpose of this video is to show you the demo about the feedback, downloading the giving the feedback and download your certificate. Okay, so this is the new link, so you can go to this new link. It was given in the WhatsApp group. Okay, in individual WhatsApp groups, so you can click the URL link, so it will be redirected in the particular page. So in this page you need to give your username and password, the same credentials. It will not change. The same credentials you need to give here. If you forget the password, you can click the forget password. The same process will be there. And if you are facing some issues before, so you can chat with me privately. We will do it and clear it as soon as possible. So the duration of downloading the certificate as 4 days from today. Like today is a Wednesday, till Saturday you can download your certificate. So no worries. So it will not open for only 1 day. It will open for 4 days. So no worries. You can download anytime. If you can't log in, just call us or chat us. Okay. So just I will give my user ID and password. So I have given my user ID and a password. Just I will click login. It will redirect into my home page. It's a user finder home page. So here there is a message called you have successfully completed 1 week online FTP training on implementation of GST in Tally ERP9 from so and so date 11th to 17th to 23rd June. So feedback already given, download certificate, which means I already downloaded certificate. Just I go to some other URL, my trainer's URL. Okay, so I redirected the page. So here we have successfully completed 1 week online FTP training on implication of GST in Tally ERP9 from 17th to 23rd June 2020. Please fill your feedback, valuable feedback, like this message will be coming. So here we have some credentials, some restrictions are there because this is a 7 days program. So we fix you can once only the participants who attended minimum 5 days of this program. Okay, right? If you are attended 3 days or 4 days or 2 days or 1 days, it will not eligible for this certificate. Okay, so 5 days is a minimum. So if you are attended 5 days, it will shows the feedback button, or else it will shows the error message like oops, you didn't attend the programs entirely. So you have attended just only these days, so you can't download the certificate, like that it will come. So please understand that. So we have some credentials. So it's a FDP program. So there is a difference between 7 days attended positive participants and 2 days attended participants. So the 5 days will be lagging. So that's why we are fixing this issue. So if you need to give feedback, just click on feedback button. It will redirect into another page. So here we have already predefined values from your database already given. So here it is your name, so you can give your name exactly because it is a certificate purpose. So if you are doctorate, please mention it before doctorate. Maximum it will become. If you have changes, change it. You can change it because this will be a certificate purpose. Please note down this clearly because if you are given a username as if you are given registration time the name as doctor, like that, but here it will come doctor. So delete that one. You can edit it, so no issues. So delete that one, then choose some other options. So next is the first one is a name. So you can give your clear name, doctor, like a doctor Vasant, doctor, you can give your name. So next one, choose designation. If you are a professor, assistant professor, associate professor, it will automatically come. If you are other in other categories, it will choose designation because most of the participants are given a student like that and a proprietorship like that. So you can change it for here. So we can choose other option. So here is a trainer. So we can, if you are student, just edit that student and give your current year, which means second year or third year or fourth year, like just give your year. Then next one is a college name. So college name will be a 50 letters only. So if your college name is a little bit bigger, so please give the short name, like for example like NGM college, PSG college, PSGR college. It's like that you can give. So give your short name. If it will overcome the 50 letters. If 50 letters, it will be okay, that's not issue. Okay, so the next one is a department name. So give your department name clearly. It will contains 25 characters only, 25 letters only, so please give correctly. Then if you don't have any change, just leave it that. Then contents of the FTP. Next is some questions are asking about the feedback of our videos. So so finally give your overall opinion. So give your opinion, whatever it may be. It may positive or negative, anything. If positive means it will encourage us, if negative means we will change that also. So please give your valuable feedback. Then after giving the feedback, just I will click on submit. So it will redirect into our certificate page. So here you have a message: thanks for your feedback. You have successfully completed 1 week online FTP training on application of GST in Tally from 17th to 30th, 23rd June 2020. Please download your FTP certificate. You must need to download your certificate here, or else you can download in home page also. That's not worries. So download it here. It will be safe. Okay, so just click on download certificate. It will download it in your local. Okay, it will download you in your local system, so you can open it. It will shows like this. So here Mr. Alagu Pandi, trainer, Bachelor of Commerce, Vivekananda College, right? So here it will replaces your name. That's it, right? So for that only I will told here trainer. It will be student with me. Students means it will not like look nice. Just mention that here if you are student. Clear? If you are student, mention the year, first year, second year, or third year. Fine. So then department name and college name. Okay, so it will be downloaded in your download folder, or else in your, if you are in mobile, it will download in your documents folder. You can get the document, you can get the certificate and upload in your Gmail or whatever may be. You can save your certificate, right? So once everything is completed, just click on home button. Okay, so in home button, in home page, it will change as before. We have feedback, here it have a download certificate, right? So once you are completed, the home page will be looks like this. Once you are download or log out or log in anything, your home page will be remains same. Okay, right? So here also you can click download certificate. It will download your certificate at any time. Within this duration, like Wednesday to Saturday, 4 days only. The link will be available, so as soon as possible, get it quickly. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. So these 7 days will go smoothly by your passions only. So this is our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to get your notification about the future courses. So we have plenty of courses are there, so you can utilize it as a free of cost. Thank you once again. So once you are completed, you can log out. So if you click on log out, it will be redirected to our login page. Thank you.